Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
做马哥呀！
让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi everyone, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and this song is called No Sorrows, or 死比 song. It actually pairs two artists across two different cities, Huang Yuhan in Taipei and Wing in Hong Kong, singing in Hakka and Cantonese about the loneliness and uncertainty they each have. Different cities, but the same feeling, and a city pop styled song that is so cool. Let's take a listen.黄宇涵新专辑《爱》在客语中是我的意思。专辑呢使用7种语言来创作，而这首歌呢是他跟香港乐团 Kotak 主唱 Wing 的合作，叫做《死比怂》，以客语还有粤语谱选两人各自在台北与香港经历相似的迷惘與孤獨。我們來繼續收聽。
隨意去哼起一段情歌，無意思的風景又嫌多，嘗試過去闖禍，平淡裏的凄楚，幻想拈花火。
Music from Huang Yuhan. Hope you liked it. I'm Joseph Lin. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.